Narito ang official new look complete lineup ng Barangay Ginebra para sa PBA 50th Philippine Cup. Point guards: RJ Abarientos, Rising Star, 5'10", 187 pounds, 26 years old, 13.6 points, 3.4 rebounds, 4.6 assists, 0.8 steals, 0.2 blocks, 36% 3-point shooter, 93% free throw shooter in his PBA 49th Philippine Cup averages. Scottie Thompson, star player, 6'1", 180 pounds, 32 years old, 12.4 points, 6.8 rebounds, 5 assists, 1.4 steals, 0.4 blocks, 41% 3-point shooter, 62% free throw shooter in his PBA 49th Philippine Cup averages. John Nards Pinto, 5'11", 170 pounds, 34 years old, 3.3 points, 0.9 rebounds, 1.2 assists, 0.1 steal, 31% 3-point shooter, 100% free throw shooter in his PBA 49th Philippine Cup averages. Shooting guards: Maverick Misi, 6'2", 190 pounds, 34 years old, 5 points, 2 rebounds, 1.5 assists, 23% 3-point shooter, 70% free throw shooter in his PBA 49th Philippine Cup averages. Jeremiah Gray, 6'5", 205 pounds, 29 years old, 2 points, 1.5 rebounds, 0.5 assists, 0.4 steals, 0.4 blocks, 10% 3-point shooter, 100% free throw shooter in his PBA 49th Philippine Cup averages. Jason David, 6'2", 191 pounds, 28 years old, 3.5 points, 1.8 rebounds, 1.2 assists, 0.8 steals, 0.4 blocks, 48% 3-point shooter, 75% free throw shooter in his PBA 49th Philippine Cup averages. Ayon nga sa legit source na Fast Break, ay may balak nga daw na kunin si Coach Tim Cone itong si Terence Romeo at Matthew Wright sa Ginebra. Pero hindi pa nga lang daw nila sila nakakausap o nakontak sa ngayon. Terence Romeo, pending signing, 5'11", 180 pounds, 33 years old, 9.5 points, 2 rebounds, 0.5 assists, 0.3 steals, 43% 3-point shooter, 75% free throw shooter in his PBA 49th Philippine Cup averages. Small forwards: Aljon Mariano, 6'3", 175 pounds, 33 years old, 0.5 points, 1 rebound, 0.2 assist, 16 field goal percentage, 50% free throw shooter in his PBA 49th Philippine Cup averages. Stephen Holt, star player, 6'4", 195 pounds, 33 years old, 12.9 points, 5.3 rebounds, 2.9 assists, 0.6 steals, 0.1 block, 36% 3-point shooter, 89% free throw shooter in his PBA 49th Philippine Cup averages. Matthew Wright, pending sign and trade option, 6'4", 200 pounds, 34 years old, 10.4 points, 2.5 rebounds, 2.6 assists, 0.8 steals, 34% 3-point shooter, 78% free throw shooter in his 2024-2025 Japan B-League season averages. Power forwards: Sonny Steele, rookie, PBA 11th draft pick, 6'3", 176 pounds, 24 years old, 3.9 points, 3.2 rebounds, 0.2 assists, 0.2 steals, 0.3 blocks, 37% 3-point shooter, 54% free throw shooter in his ongoing 2025 MPBL 7th season averages. Ralph Koo, 6'4", 210 pounds, 28 years old, 0.8 points, 2 rebounds, 1.6 assists, 0.1 steal, 0.2 blocks, 21% 3-point shooter in his PBA 49th Philippine Cup averages. Raymond Aguilar, 6'4", 200 pounds, 40 years old, 1.8 points, 0.8 rebounds, 0.3 assists, 0.2 blocks, 44 field goal percentage, 75% free throw shooter in his PBA 49th Philippine Cup averages. Japet Aguilar, veteran star, 6'9", 235 pounds, 38 years old, 14.3 points, 6.6 rebounds, 1.4 assists, 0.3 steals, 1.1 blocks, 55 field goal percentage, 72% free throw shooter in his PBA 49th Philippine Cup averages. Centers: Norbert Torres, new player via free agency signing, 6'6", 265 pounds, 35 years old, 3.1 points, 0.8 rebounds, 0.4 blocks, 16% 3-point shooter, 75% free throw shooter in his PBA 49th Philippine Cup averages. Roy Rosario, star player, 6'7", 218 pounds, 33 years old, 11.2 points, 6.7 rebounds, 2.4 assists, 0.3 steals, 26% 3-point shooter, 62% free throw shooter in his PBA 49th Philippine Cup averages. Ben Adamos, 6'7", 200 pounds, 29 years old, 1.8 points, 0.9 rebounds, 0.3 assists, 0.3 blocks, 60 field goal percentage, 5.5 minutes per game in his PBA 49th Philippine Cup averages. Isaac Go, comeback player, 6'7", 230 pounds, 29 years old, 5.5 points, 3.7 rebounds, 0.5 assists, 0.5 blocks, 25% 3-point shooter, 60% free throw shooter in his last PBA 49th Governors Cup averages. Ito ang official new look complete lineup ng Barangay Ginebra para sa PBA 50th Philippine Cup. Sa tingin nyo mga kababos, magiging game changer kaya sa Ginebra si Matthew Wright at Terence Romeo kung makuha nila itong parehas? I-comment nyo na po yan sa baba.